Hello, everybody. Welcome to AV's Maxillofacial and Dental Talk. This is Dr. Vinay Sundar. And in this video, we are going to do something slightly off topic. I'm going to be discussing about the top 10 things to know if you're either dating, marrying, or considering a relationship with a dentist. I am happily married to an endodontist, and I pretty much know how the life of dentists work. However, when people consider a relationship or living with a dentist, there are certain things which I feel they need to know and which will make the life of the dentist a little more easier. So let's get into this. So here are my top things to know if you're dating a dentist. So the first thing they are going to see is your smile, your teeth alignment, or your oral hygiene. And if you're lucky enough, they're going to be giving you tips and suggestions to improve the same. You might be shocked to know that they might be part of an hospital or a clinic or sometimes even a college. So some dentists have an academic oriented career, and that is how they're going to be for the rest of their lives. A clinic is entirely optional, or there are some dentists who are able to manage both also. Research is also another option in dentistry. So a dentist can either have an academic oriented career or a clinical career or both. Not all dentists come with the clinic. It is falsely assumed that if you finish dentistry, they're definitely going to have a clinic. No. So they may have a clinic, they may not have a clinic, or they might plan to set up a clinic in future. It's entirely their choice, but there are other options to practice dentistry without setting up a clinic also. Financial independence. A lot of people ask if whether the person whom they are going to get into a relationship is going to be settled with respect to financial independence. Well, generally, with respect to any profession from the medical industry, it's going to take time. They will become financially independent, but it's going to take its own sweet time, sometimes even some 3 to 5 years, depending upon their practice. But they definitely will be a wonderful life partner for you. Now, many have assuming the fact that dentists cannot handle medical emergencies. The fun fact is that most of the medical emergencies happen on the dental chair, so they are very well trained to handle basic medical emergencies, and all the dental students are trained to CPR, and that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So, in case something happens on the dental chair, they'll be able to at least give you the first aid and shift you to the nearest hospital as soon as possible. A very popular doubt is that why do you require 5 years to study just about the teeth? It's not just about the teeth. There are so many other things which you need to study about. And one other thing is the medical conditions. So we as dentists need to know about the medical history, the complete medical history of the patient, because we also need to know the drugs and how they interact, because some of the drugs or many drugs can interact or interfere with the dental treatment and can cause potential complications. So it is not just about the teeth, but it's almost about general medicine, general surgery, and other vital topics. So it's not just about the teeth. And starting a clinic is not just a simple room here. It requires a dental chair and other expenses. So they might be in the process of getting a loan or trying to repay a loan, which is pretty much normal in the life of a dentist. And don't be startled to know that there are postgraduate specialties. There are just 32 teeth. There are at least 8 to 10 specialties. At least 8 of them are recognized, and more specialties are coming in the near future. Now, each specialty has its own sweet time to take to master. That is what's called as mastering dentistry, which is about 3 years. And some of them practice only that particular specialty. A general dentist will be trained eventually as they build their skills to learn a particular skill. And they are not serious people. They are fun loving and would love to travel, chill, just like any other human. And let's come to the last point. Dentists are definitely doctors, and enough explanations have been given about the same. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.